In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to attack portals in Kingdom Two Crowns. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Attacking these portals in Kingdom Two Crowns is a core part of the gameplay. It's how you expand your kingdom and eventually you win an island. So you will find different types of portals. You have small portals, which are greed nests, usually smaller, found throughout the entire map, and destroying them allows your builders to expand your kingdom further in that direction. It also stops greed from spawning from them. And then you will have cliff or dock portals known as greed lairs. These are the main portals on each side of the island. The cliff portal is typically where the main greed forces come from, and the dock portal is near where your boat spawns. Destroying the cliff portal permanently removes the greed threat from that island, though you will need a bomb for that. Dock portals have more health and can use a tentacle attack. So all that you have to do is rally your troops. You should use knights, archers, and once you have everyone good to go, you will be able to initiate an attack from the edge of your kingdom. So to send knights on an attack, go to the banner at your furthest wall on the side that you want to attack and pay the necessary amount in coins. Crucially, you need to follow your knights and drop coins for them. This tops up their health and allows them to continue fighting effectively. So, on early game for small portals, you need timing, force, and continuously drop coins for your knights. Mid to late game, when you are tackling more small portals, but more importantly cliff and dock portals, you need to prepare your defenses, you need multiple knight squads, and you need to clear one side first. And remember for the bomb run that after you place the bomb and you ensure the good number of builders to carry it, you clear the path to the portal with knights and archers, protect the builders as they set up the bomb, and immediately ride away at full speed once it is lit. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.